Automating private communication between AWS and GCP with Terraform, a rapid integration guide. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses often leverage multiple cloud platforms to optimize their operations. However, integrating these platforms and ensuring private communication between them can take time and effort. This podcast will explore how Terraform can facilitate swift, automated infrastructure deployment to enable private communication between AWS and GCP. The challenge: urgent need for private cross-cloud communication. As organizations scale, they frequently adopt a multi-cloud strategy to harness the unique benefits of different cloud providers. However, this strategy introduces complexities, particularly in ensuring secure and private communication between different cloud environments. Traditional methods of establishing such connections can be time-consuming and prone to errors, making automation a critical need. The solution: Terraform for swift, automated infrastructure deployment. Terraform, an open-source infrastructure as code (IAC) tool, offers a powerful solution to this challenge. It enables the creation, management, and provisioning of infrastructure across multiple cloud platforms through code, ensuring consistency and reducing the likelihood of human error. Businesses can quickly and efficiently establish private communication channels between AWS and GCP using Terraform. Preparation: setting the stage in AWS and GCP. Before diving into the Terraform scripting, preparing both AWS and GCP environments is essential. AWS preparation. VPC setup: create a virtual private cloud (VPC) with the necessary subnets. VPC peering: set up VPC peering if needed. Security groups: configure security groups to allow essential traffic. GCP preparation. VPC setup: create a VPC and subnets. Cloud router and interconnect: set up cloud router and cloud interconnect for hybrid connectivity. Firewall rules: configure firewall rules to permit necessary traffic. Execution: Terraform scripting and resource provisioning. With the environments prepared, the next step is to write Terraform scripts to automate the creation and configuration of resources. Provider configuration: define the providers for AWS and GCP in your Terraform script. Provider: AWS. Region equals us West 2. Provider: Google. Project equals my GCP project. Region equals us West 1. Resource definition: define the required resources, such as VPCs, subnets, and interconnects. Resource: AWS_VPC my_VPC. CIDR_block equals 10.0.0.016. Resource: Google_compute_network my_network. Name equals my network. Auto_create_subnetworks equals false. Peering and connectivity: establish peering connections and configure routing. Resource: AWS_VPC_peering_connection peer. VPC_ID equals AWS_VPC.my_VPC.id. Peer_VPC_IDED equals VPC XXXXX. Auto_accept equals true. Resource: Google_compute_router my_router. Name equals my router. Network equals Google_compute_network.my_network.name. Region equals us West 1. Firewall and security rules: set up firewall rules to allow traffic between the cloud environments. Resource: AWS_security_group allow_traffic. VPC_ID equals AWS_VPC.my_VPC.id. Ingress: from _port equals 0 to _port equals 0. Protocol equals -1. CIDR_blocks equals 10.0.0.016. Resource: Google_compute_firewall allow_traffic. Name equals allow traffic. Network equals Google_compute_network.my_network.name. Allow. Protocol equals TCP. Ports equals 0 to 65,535. Source underscore ranges equals 10.0.0.016. Validation, testing connectivity and ensuring secure communication. Once the infrastructure is deployed, it's crucial to validate the setup to ensure secure communication between AWS and GCP. Ping tests. Use ping tests to verify basic connectivity. Network monitoring. Implement network monitoring tools to observe traffic and detect anomalies. Security audits. Conduct security audits to ensure compliance with organizational policies and industry standards. Conclusion. Integrating AWS and GCP for private communication can be challenging, but Terraform streamlines and optimizes the process. By automating infrastructure deployment, organizations can ensure secure, scalable, and reliable communication between their cloud environments, allowing them to focus on their core business operations. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.